Multiple casualties after a blast along a highway in Indian-administered Kashmir, one of the worst attacks to hit the disputed Himalayan region in almost 3 years. According to reports, the majority of those killed were Indian paramilitary personnel when a car filled with explosives rammed into a military convoy in the district of Pulwama. The attack happened on a main road that connects the state capital Srinagar to the city of Jammu. Pictures from the blast site showed bodies and body parts strewn across a wide area.
I was sitting inside my shop and all of a sudden an explosion happened. It was very massive and felt like the building would come down. I came out and saw smoke at the site of the explosion and debris from vehicles in the air.
Kashmir has been divided between India and Pakistan since 1947. Both countries claim the area. Tens of thousands have been killed in the past 3 decades in the uprising against the Indian administration. This latest violence comes just a day after dozens of high school students were wounded when there was an explosion in their classroom in Kashmir. Mohammed, Jamjoom, Al Jazeera.